Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Sky-Dweller. This is the watch as it's been available since 2021 with the optional Jubilee bracelet. And so the timepiece in 904L stainless steel with a white gold bezel is 42 millimeters in diameter. It's 14 millimeters thick from lug to lug. It's 50.4. If you add the end links, the Jubilee bracelet, the total distance across the wrist is 52.3. And oddly, there are two different lug spacings for the Sky-Dwellers, and some of the earlier ones were 21, and this variant right here is in fact 22. So the lug spacing changed even within the first generation of the watch. The timepiece, of course, is reference 326934 because the combination of steel and white gold will pop open the clasp. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. We'll pull the sleeve back right there. You can see it wears nicely. It's comfortable. It's large, but it's not oversized. This isn't a Royal Oak offshore 42 millimeters. I would describe this as more of a true to size 42 millimeters. So my wrist is 16 centimeters, and I think you could probably wear this on a slightly smaller 15 centimeter circumference wrist. And while it's not thin, it's also not terribly thick, and it has a sloped bezel, so it should slide under a cuff. The Jubilee is the dressier of the two metal bands available on these. The Oyster is the other one. But because these are now all solid link bracelets, even the Jubilee is robust enough to be used for sporting purposes, and it actually vents the wrist better than the Oyster. You can see it has a taper down from a conforming end link. It tapers down towards the clasp. We've got a combination of polish and satin brushing. There are many individual removable links. You can see they're fixed in place using screws. You're going to find the right size. But if you don't, there's a 5 millimeter snap-in, snap-out, tool-free adjustment system. It's called Easy Link. And then if you look really close, we'll do our best to get a little purchase on this with the camera. But you can see that inside the clasp, there are those 3 pairs of divots, and you can use your strap tool to dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point internally to fine-tune the fit. We've got a beak and a hook, and these two things snap, if we can get the hang tag out of the way, they snap together, and then you have to lift the system to unlock them. So it's not a conventional friction fit clasp, and it does have quite a bit of resilience once it's closed. It's not going to snap open, even though it doesn't have the clamshell lock of the GMTs or the Submariners, for instance. 904L steel is a type of steel that is highly resistant to corrosion. Sweat, sea salt, certain industrial acids, they will not corrode this steel, even if you fail to rinse it. 316L stainless can still corrode. 904L will not. Now, we also have white gold. The bezel, which is fluted, is always your platform for precious metals on a Sky-Dweller. Now, when you see a fluted bezel at Rolex, and I do mean fluted, not engine turned, it means you're looking at some kind of precious metal. This is gray gold, an 18-karat white gold that is white all the way through and never needs to be rhodium plated. One of the big changes that came about for this model in 2017 was the arrival of a fully luminescent dial, so no longer just the hands, but also the indices. Another feature that came out for 2017 was that the 24-hour secondary time zone ring inboard, that's the same color as the dial for less contrast. We'll take a look at the lume. The earliest versions of the Sky-Dwellers had superluminova in green. This is now Rolex's own resilient chromolite blue lume. We have a screw-down twin lock crown in steel and a screwed-in Oyster case back. The watch is 100 meters water resistant. We may as well talk about caliber 9001 internally. It is a GMT, or at least it's a dual time with independent 12 and 24-hour time zones. It is an annual calendar, which means it needs only one correction per year during the jump from February to March. 4 hertz, 40 joules, 380 parts, 72-hour power reserve, bidirectional automatic winding with a rotor on a ball bearing system. It has a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance, and through the free sprung balance, also more precise adjustment. There is an overcoil hairspring, Breguet profile, shaped by hand, so the watch will keep consistent time in any physical orientation with respect to gravity. We have a alloy used on that hairspring, which is a blue oxidized niobium zirconium Rolex calls Parachrom Bleu. It is highly anti-magnetic. The movement is 33 millimeters in diameter, so the 72-hour power reserve automatic nicely fills the case. It features quick setting in both directions for the calendar system, so forward and backwards plus hacking. And the movement is timed as a fully cased up watch, not as a bare movement as with the COSC. It meets COSC, it is COSC, but it's also a superlative chronometer, which is Rolex's terminology for a watch that is timed fully assembled and then keeps time no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours. So let's talk about how all of this works. The bezel is called ring command. It's part of the movement. This idea of having a bezel as part of the setting function of the watch started in 2007 on the Yachtmaster 2. Now in the first position I can wind the watch. It's automatic, but I can also wind it. Now if I pull it out all the way, nothing happens. But I turn the bezel one click counterclockwise. Now watch the date and watch the little month indicator. Remember, 12 hours, 12 months. So you're looking at the 8th month and the 31st. So that is August 31st. Now watch this. In either direction, I can adjust this quickly. And since we have 12 hours corresponding to 12 months, there's a window outboard of each hour, and you can see how the little index jumps back and forth. You can also see that the watch is still operating. None of the other indications have changed. The hand for the seconds is still running. We have white gold hands, white gold indices, white gold Rolex coronets, so these things will never oxidize or tarnish. But we're going to turn the ring command bezel one more click counterclockwise. Now I have the ability to adjust the local hour. The watch has still not come to a halt. The seconds hand is still moving. I'm not affecting the second time zone or the minute hand. As I adjust forward, I can drive the date forward but not backwards in this mode. Now turn all the way counterclockwise. Now you activate hacking seconds and everything is synchronized. And you can see how the 24-hour ring and the 12-hour hand are both moving. You set the 24-hour ring first. Then you set the local hour to whatever you want it to be. Then you set the calendar system to whatever you want that to be. And then you turn it all the way counterclockwise and we're back to our neutral mode. We're going to screw the crown back down, and that is what the Rolex Sky-Dweller has to offer. Again, this is nano-furl steel and white gold. It's 100 meters water resistant. It is full of refinements, and it may be the most practical all-around Rolex watch. So reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.
Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a Certified Pre-Owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.